I am hopeful. I am asking if you have ever legitimately lost weight. Please tell me how you did it. This is maybe the most embarrassing thing I'm ever gonna do in my life. But I'm gonna do it anyway, and here's why. I legitimately believe that people, even people on the internet, are so people and are generally kind and generally good and legitimately want to be helpful. And so I am coming to you rather than going to influencers or AI and asking for help, because what I really am hoping for is to be able to hear from people who have maybe gone through this or have struggled with this and have found a way out. So I am hopeful. I am asking if you have ever legitimately lost weight. Please tell me how you did it. Now, before you comment, before you come in here and you tell me, do all of these things, I think that there are some things that are important that I share with you guys. So one, I have sincere medical anxiety, but I also just really don't like taking medicine. I don't think that it is the best thing for me, and I just don't like the act of doing it. But I also just don't want to put things into my body that are going to interact in ways that I might not be comfortable with, or things that are going to make me, sick or whatever. I don't like it, and I'm not going to do it. So that's number one. I'm not interested in losing weight using any kind of a medication. I know a lot of people do it and are super successful with it, and I'm so happy for you guys. If you are one of those people, that's fantastic. I know and love people who have gone that route. It's not for me, and so that's number one. I am not a fan of that for myself, so I'm not going to do that. Number two, I really love Dr. Pepper. I love it so much. So if there's any possible way, if there's any possible way that I can keep that at least somewhat in my life, I would really like that. If I can't, I can't. At this point, I think I've kind of given up on hope that that would be a possibility for me. And then the other thing is, I'm a super picky eater. So if you're gonna come to me and say, hey, just eat cucumbers and celery and broccoli, I don't actually like any of those things. Cucumbers are okay in tzatziki, but that's pretty much the extent of how I like to eat them. And so I'm trying to figure out kind of what works for me. And so that's why I'm coming to you. I'm curious if you are a picky eater, if you also don't want to take medication, and if you also really love soda. What do you do? What do you do in that situation? Because I am kind of at a loss. I'm gonna walk you guys through kind of my hope. And then if this is something that you can genuinely help with, I would love if you would comment down below or send me a message on Instagram and let me know what it is that either I can change or you have done that has made this better for you. Okay, so the first thing obviously has to be changing how I'm eating. So we are growing, these are all from my garden. We are growing a ton of fresh produce. And so tomatoes, I eat these like apples. So I'm hopeful maybe that is something, I don't know. So yeah, tomatoes, whatever recipes you have that you use tomatoes that don't have like a lot of cream or whatever in them, send them to me, because I am really hopeful that I can, use all of them. I have so many. And I am using them to like make some of my own recipes. We're in fact making a huge batch of pasta sauce today, which I will show you in a different video, but I will show you. And then protein, once a week, twice a week, I'm just gonna make a big batch. This is some grilled chicken that I just chopped up, and I will have for salads. I am kind of a creature of habit, and so I don't really mind eating the same things over and over and over. I could eat a grilled chicken salad every single day for lunch and never get tired of it. But I'm curious what other people have done that has helped them. The other big thing I think that I am really trying to work on is getting in steps. That seems to be a thing that really helps people. What are your step goals? If that's something that you do or something that you have done that has helped, I'm curious like how that has worked into your life, what you've done to change things. We have a farm, and so I do spend a decent amount of time working outside, which I think is maybe part of why I'm so frustrated and have gotten to the point where I feel like I need to ask for help with this, because I do spend a ton of time like doing stuff. I'm lifting, I'm carrying, I'm moving, I'm walking, and it doesn't seem to be making a difference. I don't know if it's the fact that I've had 5 kids. That doesn't stop everybody. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Yeah, but I'm willing to do whatever as far as steps go. And then for me, the last thing is I would love to add some sort of a like strength building workout routine in, if that is something that you have done and it is something that does not require joining a gym. When I asked my husband about maybe us joining a gym, he laughed, pointed at our farm and said, "This is a gym. We have to figure out how to use that," which he's not wrong, of course. And so I'm very curious what strength training you guys have done that has actually been beneficial. So I am being open and vulnerable in this because I'm hopeful that that will actually result in some accountability, because I am real good at kind of avoiding that and not talking about stuff. If I can avoid that accountability, and I don't want to do that anymore. I don't want to do that with this. I really am hopeful that I can continue to share what has and hasn't worked for me, especially if there are tips that people, comment or whatever. I would love to share what is and is not working, but this is it. This is me. This is where we're starting. And I'm so hopeful that you guys can hang out with me and help me along. And yeah, hopefully in a year, I don't look like this anymore. Or if I do, I am just a healthier, stronger version of me looking like this. That would also be, a great outcome for me. So anyway, all of that to say, thank you guys for watching. If you have any help, any tips, even if they are like small things, I would love to hear what they are. Please let me know. And I will see you guys next time. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.